Okay, friends, in this speed illustration, we have got a superhero that's being outnumbered by strange aliens with tentacle things sticking out of their heads. Let's see what happens. I'm using a Cintiq tablet and a stylus. I'm going to zoom in and start with our superhero's head. And it looks like I'm jumping all over the place, but I'm just moving in and out so I can get a closer look at what I want to draw. I'll create a new layer, and then I'm going to draw the alien master. He's got some weird tubes coming out of his head. If you want to get really good at drawing stuff, you need to exercise, and I've got some free exercises on my website at sketch-e.co. These exercises are guaranteed to make you an awesome artist. I'm gonna draw his little alien minions. And do a Photoshop technique to copy and paste it. I'll quickly sketch in the background. And I'm basically using a single point perspective way on the horizon. I fill the background with just a blend, and I use the lasso tool just to select the shapes and fill them with a gradient. I also use the lasso to select things and just change the curves so I can make them lighter or darker. So that's how that's done. What?